Good morning, everyone. I just want to show you my look for today. So I'm gonna wear this from Shona Joy. It's a dress shirt. I really like the sleeves. So gorgeous. Wearing this, and I'm gonna wear these boots from Zara. Just a simple look, and I think I'm gonna go with my favorite headband from Zara. I've been wearing it for so long, and I wasn't sure between the backs, but I think I'm gonna go with the Burberry one. Just feel like it would be a nice cute outfit. And then for my makeup, I'm going to tell you a bit more when everything is done, but I'm going to use Charlotte Tilbury to send me a few things from the new collection, and I'm just obsessed with them. Jewelry, this necklace from Maslow Jewelry, and I have the matching bracelets. Where is it? I can't see it. Well, it's not here. I'm gonna show you everything after. And this is my bag, being messy as usual. There we go. So I'm gonna go do the makeup now because we're shooting today, so I need to be a bit more presentable. I'm done with my makeup, and I just wanted to show you quickly what I used. So first thing I used is this Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. It's from the Kissing collection, and the name is Stone Rose. They also sent me this palette here. This is perfect, by the way, if you don't know how to put makeup like me. So it's instant look in a palette, Stone Rose Beauty. So basically what you have, it's kind of dirty, sorry, but basically you have everything, all the colors. Look at this, how gorgeous. So you have the face highlight, for the eye, cheek, every single thing. So I used the face bronze for kind of the contour of my skin, then highlight, a little bit of highlight here, and a bit on my lips as well. I did eye brighten and eye enhance, and then cheek a little bit of both because I just wanted like a nice pop. It's really pretty. Only thing is I have something here in the corner of my my lips. I can't really do anything about it. Like I try to hide it, but I just can't. So yeah, this is my look. I think the lipstick is actually very beautiful. So we'll see. Hopefully I come up with pretty pictures. Bye.
Je suis le plus petit de mon entourage. J'écoute tout ce qu'on me dit, tous les présages, tous les avis. Et j'entends la franchise, j'entends le confetti. Même le plus si sûr de lui, au fond n'est pas si sûr de lui. Et j'ai compris qu'il n'y avait rien à comprendre dans cette vie, ni tout seul, ni tous ensemble. Mais je respecte que tu te poses toutes ces questions, et je te souhaite de trouver tes propres raisons. D'ici là, la lune brille pour toi. Elle guide chacun de tes pas dans l'escalier qui mène au toit. C'est ta victoire, c'est ma victoria. C'est une raison d'être là si j'entends résonner ta voix. Et ça fait 2-3 jours que tu n'es pas bien. Tu ressasses le même discours, que t'es flippé parce qu'on n'est rien. Et tu sais plus choisir entre un cuir et un blouson. C'est normal, t'es qu'un pigeon face à l'enchaînement des saisons. Ouais, t'as compris, il n'y avait rien à